How to recover deleted voicemails on iPhone. Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. On this video today, I'll guide you through the steps on how you can recover deleted voicemail on your iPhone. Now the process itself is pretty simple and pretty easy, so let me guide it through. To recover your recently deleted voicemails on your iPhone, the process is simple. All you gotta do is open up the phone application, go to the voicemail tab and then tap deleted messages, then select the voicemail you want to restore and then tap the undelete button. So here is what you can do. Open up your voice, right? Then you can head into your voicemail option. Here I don't have any voicemail, but if you do have here, you can head into the recently deleted messages option and then select the voicemail you want to restore and then tap on the undelete button. You might have to go through certain prompts in order to do so. So this is how you can easily restore your deleted voicemail on your iPhone. Hope this video helped you. Do like and subscribe and do not forget to leave the comment down below if you have any further issues.